art students. Today I will show you how to take your beautiful artwork here and take a photo using your phone and upload it in the Google Classroom. This is some artwork that my son Jetson did, so it will be our example. This is really important because as we are going through school distance learning, the only way I will see your artwork is whatever picture you take and upload. So make sure that you really practice this and follow these directions so that your artwork looks the best it possibly can. So this video is showing you how to photograph your artwork with your phone. I also have a separate video that shows you how to do it with your Chromebook. So you will photograph it with your phone and then upload it into the Google Classroom. So there are 3 things that are really important that you follow. The first one is I want you to stay still with your camera. If you have a tripod, that's excellent, and if not, just do your best to stay still. Maybe even take a deep breath in and then exhale and steady your hands. I also want you to get close to your image. And then the third step is to just wait and let your phone focus so that the image is nice and clear. All right, so let's get started. Here is an example of what not to do. So don't go in a dark hallway and hold the picture really tight so that you're creating folds and creases and shadows. You also don't want it to be angled too far away. So if you look here, my hand is really pressing it and that face is getting distorted and wrinkled, and I can't really see the image as being really nice. And here, setting it on the ground, and then my foot is covering it, and my foot is in the art, and we don't need to see a foot. And then if I go to try to hold it up and the top folds over, that doesn't help either. And then if we set it down and we step too far away and we have toys in the background, that's not good. So now I'll head outside where I have the sunlight. So I'm setting my artwork down on the ground. And if you look where the sun is, I'm standing facing the sun. And then I'm coming in close and getting really close in so you're only seeing the artwork. And the lighting is nice, and I take my photo that I will show you how to edit later. But now I want to show you if my back is to the sun, what's happening. Shadows. And you don't want funky shadows on your art. You can also take a nice photograph inside near a window, so you have that natural sunlight coming through. Set it down on a table, get over it parallel, and take your photo. And then you'll want to edit it using the crop tool. So you will go in and crop out, meaning framing it in, with removing those sides. So bringing in that side there, bring in the bottom and the top, so that you're only looking at the artwork. If there's a lot of white space that's not part of the artwork that you don't want the viewer to see, you just move that in. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and play around with the lighting so that the images look really crisp. Sometimes the photo, even if you're using the sunlight, looks a little bit dark. So you can go in and play with the features. There's a little wand tool that you can press and it will automatically adjust the lighting for you. And then your image, you'll hit save, and then this is the image that will be in your photo folder on your phone. And then from there, I'll show you how to upload it into your Google Classroom. Now that your photo is ready, go to your photos and get ready to upload. So you will find it and grab your image, select it, and then you will go down and email it. You can email it to yourself. As you can see, I have some other teachers in there. You can go that route and it is sent to you as an attachment. I'm discarding this because it's an example only. And then, or you could, your other option is to open the app if you have Google Classroom on your phone. And you can go into classwork at the bottom middle, find the assignment, and upload it from there. So if you do email it to yourself, you could then save it to your hard drive and then also upload to your Google Classroom from there. And for fun, here are the drawings that Jetson and I did together as we're reading Harry Potter together. We drew the characters. They're not done yet, but you can see our progress and you can see the potential that you have drawing at home. Okay, So hopefully you can see the importance of taking a good photo of your artwork, since this is the only way I'll be seeing it. And if you have questions and you're struggling at all, we will be doing Zoom classes so I can help and answer more questions, and I will be going over this in our digital Zoom class as well. So don't worry, have fun practicing, and before you know it, you'll be a professional photographer at taking your own photos of your artwork.